Welcome to 21592 Hanakai here in Huntington Beach. A lovely 3-bedroom, 2-bath with attached extra bonus room, can be used as an office. Here you have your main living room with fireplace, entryway with your garage. Opens into your full kitchen. Bar area for seating, dining room. Huge green backyard with stone accent stairs. Lovely stone fireplace. And here off of the living room is your bonus room / office. Full closet. Further down, we have your hallway closet, which does open up to your bonus room. Across from that, you have one of the bedrooms. Again, full closet, linen storage, here is your primary room, double closets, as well as a full bath. Your last bedroom has a little bit of a nook as well as a full closet and your full bath. If you want to submit an application, go to truedoorpm.com/rental-search. Thank you.